All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich. I shall try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
The international news is brought to you by CH Chairman from Grade VIII Sapphire. Global markets are watching changes in oil prices and the world economy. Thank you and have a fearless Friday.
By Jashwant. National News. Indian Railway improving on passenger service. Thank you. And Sport News is brought to you by Omkar. Telangana launches 8 new steps for education, healthcare and welfare programs. Sports News. India versus England. England won by 4 wickets and India scored 233 runs. England chased down the target successfully. Thank you. The weather report is brought to you by B. Ranjit. Minimum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Wind speed 8 km per hour. Thank you. A good heart is more valuable than a great wealth. Thank you. By Vishnu. What? Compassion. It means understanding or helping others. Friends, please spell after me. Compassion. COM. PASSION. Compassion. Thank you. Here to say speech on moral values. Moral values are principles that guide us to become good human beings. Values like discipline, responsibility, honesty helps us to make the right choices in our lives. A person with good values always earns trust and respect from others. We should always treat everyone with kindness, speak the truth, and help people in need. Thank you. And who are present here? I am P. Arsha Kumar Reddy of Grade VIII Sapphire. Today I brought you GK questions. Question for Grade 7. Which value encourages people to help others?
That class will answer, others will be quiet. Which class is that?
Grade 7.
Yeah, repeat the question.
I will repeat it once again. Which value encourages to help others?
Moral value.
Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is selfless. Question for Grade 8. Which value means doing right thing even no one is watching?
Integrity.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is integrity. Let's all appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which ability to understand others' feelings?
Grade 9.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is empathy. Let's all appreciate them. Question for Grade 10. What is showing respect of regardless called?
Repeat again.
I will repeat it once again. What is showing regardless of called? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is equality. Open questions for all. Which value remains a person when calm is in the challenge? I will repeat it once again. Which value remains that a person to be calm in challenges?
Patience.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is patience. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. Have a short day ahead.
I am Kranti. We are going to present a short conversation on honesty. Varun, what is honesty? Honesty means telling truth, being sincere and doing the right thing. Why honesty is important? Because honesty people earns trust, respect and confidence from others. Can honesty make difference in our daily life? Yes. Whether at school, at home, or with friends, honesty helps to build a strong relationship.
That's true. Even if we make mistakes, we should admit them honestly.
Exactly. Remember, honesty is the best policy.
Thank you. Have a nice day.